Make Money Online 2023. In 2023, making money online has become more accessible and lucrative than ever before. With the rapid advancement of technology and the increasing popularity of remote work, individuals from all walks of life have the opportunity to generate a substantial income from the comfort of their own homes. One of the most popular ways to make money online in 2023 is through e-commerce. With the rise of online marketplaces and the ease of setting up an online store, entrepreneurs can sell products to a global audience without the need for a physical storefront. Whether it's handmade crafts, clothing, or digital products, the possibilities are endless. The key to success in e-commerce lies in finding a niche, providing high-quality products, and effectively marketing them to the target audience. Another avenue for making money online in 2023 is through freelancing. With the increase in remote work opportunities, companies are increasingly turning to freelancers for their specialized skills and expertise. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or virtual assistant, there is a high demand for freelancers in various industries. Freelancing platforms have made it easier than ever to connect with clients and find projects that suit your skills and interests. Additionally, the world of online content creation has opened up countless opportunities for individuals to monetize their passions. Whether it's blogging, vlogging, podcasting, or social media influencing, creating engaging and valuable content can attract a loyal following and open doors to sponsorship deals, brand collaborations, and advertising revenue. Building a strong personal brand and consistently producing high-quality content is key to success in this field. Furthermore, online education has seen significant growth in recent years, and this trend is expected to continue in 2023. Online courses, webinars, and coaching programs have become increasingly popular as people seek to expand their knowledge and acquire new skills. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses, providing valuable education and generating income. In conclusion, the opportunities to make money online in 2023 are vast and diverse. Whether you choose to start an e-commerce business, freelance in your area of expertise, create engaging content, or provide online education, the key to success lies in passion, perseverance, and adaptability. With the right mindset and dedication, you can turn your online endeavors into a sustainable and profitable source of income. Thanks for watching.